Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have all the cool tricks that comes with iMessages. So let's get started. Bubbles or screen effects. After you type a message, instead of tapping the blue send arrow, push and hold it down to bring up the bubble and screen effects window. There are two tabs, one for bubble effects like slam, loud, gentle, and invisible. This one kind of hides your message behind a cloud of particles that the reader has to swipe away with their fingers to read. Then there are screen effects with animation sound effects like duplicating your message to fill the screen, spotlight, balloons, confetti, a heart balloon, laser lights, fireworks, shooting stars, and finally sparks. iMessage allows to add stickers. You can add stickers to an existing message bubble or send a sticker as a message. To get these sticker sets, tap the grey app icon next to the composition bubble to reveal the iMessage app drawer, then tap the blue app icon to go to the iMessage app store. You will find not only the stickers but also games apps specifically designed for iMessage. Like the regular app store, some stickers are free, while for others you have to spend a couple of bucks. Once you install the app, just tap the icon in the iMessage app drawer, then tap and hold on a sticker you want to add to the message and then slide it and attach it to the bubble. You can also send a sticker as a message by simply tapping on the sticker. A great new feature in iOS 13 is you now can select the way your name and photo appear in the contact cards on other people's devices. To set this up, open the Messages app and go to the master list of all your conversations. At the top, tap the grey circle with 3 dots in it, and from the bottom of screen, tap Edit Name and Photo. A window will pop up walking you through the setup process. Tap Choose Name and Photo button, then select your photo. You can use your Memoji, Animoji, your initials, or an actual photo and update this with your contacts. Another handy feature in iMessage is the ability to share your location through a message. For that, go to the message thread, tap on contact name at the top, then tap info. Tap on send my current location and your location with map view will be sent. Share my location is also very cool feature. It keeps track of your family if someone is driving or going long distance. Memoji and Animoji. Let's talk about Animoji first. This is an animated version that you create to reflect your yard that you want other people to see you as. From the Messages app, open up the iMessage app drawer and tap on either the Animoji app or the Memoji sticker app. Then tap the plus button to set up a new emoji. This process lets you customize your hair, eyes, nose, ears, face shape, as well as things like glasses and piercing. Now that I have set it up, I can record video as Memoji or I can record it as Animoji. To do so, I simply tap the Animoji app, select an Animoji animal or my Memoji, and then I hit the red record button. When I am done, I can tap the stop button. I can review my video, send it or delete it. You can also add Memoji or Animoji stickers to any bubble in a message thread. So these were the tips and tricks about iMessage. I hope you liked it. Feel free to comment if you have any question. And guys, please like and share this video and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on bell icon to get notified with new videos. Thank you.